day that should go down in the annals of our history, that when many and some were stuck on the options as to the way forward, a team of Ugandans desirous of finding a way out of our troubles birthed a child named the Democratic Front. I stand before you, countrymen and women, this morning as the national coordinator of the Democratic Alliance to announce the birth of this brand new party called the Democratic Front. DF. DF is one of the parties from today onwards under the big tent of the Democratic Alliance. So from today onwards, let it be known to all and sundry that under the DA, officially, we have three major parties: SDP, PDP, and DF. Of course, with several other citizen formations therein, including members from the DP bloc, TJ to mention but a few. But because the DF is a party, we had to be here today, this morning, to announce to the country the birth of the DF. May I also be very clear to you all, Ugandans, that the birth of DF is not a compromise on the DA spirit. These are the DA headquarters. This is a child of DA. And in the coming days or weeks, the parties under this umbrella, this big tent, will sit to coordinate, to harmonize, and communicate to the country the manner in which we shall approach the coming elections as one single entity. It remains our firm belief and conviction that it is foolhardy for the opposition and all change-seeking forces to go for the next polls, each on their own. The fracturing of the opposition is a major concern to us. We strongly believe in the united opposition, and in the DA, we lead in this quest. I would like to congratulate the team that afforded this to happen and make it a day to remember. Allow me to thank a small team of very desirous Ugandans that put up time to make sure that the DF is born. Mami Sentongo Muzafar is here. Mr. Wishiku Samuel is here. Mr. Muki Robert is here. Mr. Sekubulwa Bruno is here. Omlonkato Stephen is around. Mr. Ivan Lutu, I think, is around. If not, clap for him in absentia. Miss Nakayua Farida is around, I suppose. Miss Nakavuma Madina and Mr. Sali Jamil in absentia. Those are the brains that have incubated and gave us this bouncing baby. Whether the baby is a boy or a girl is a story to tell in the coming days. The incubators or the midwives of this baby in the coming days will announce to the country a structured leadership of the Democratic Front. That should come in the coming days. Let me add this. with clarity. The symbol of BF is this huge tree with a huge canopy. This is the symbol. You can call it whatever you want. Oba muvule ewa mwe, oba mahogane, naye ekyenjawulo si paapali era si ntontogolo kuba twali efaana bwetyo. That's the symbol of the Democratic Front. This is the logo. Those who are corporate know when do you use a logo and when do you use a symbol. This is the logo engraved within the Ugandan map and with the symbol in the middle. That is the logo of BF. The announcement of the birth of BF does not in any way compromise the founding principles of the Democratic Alliance. And therefore, this little young child bouncing and buoyant is a little child of the Alliance. And therefore, the Alliance will in the coming days sit to provide harmony and direction to all of you seeking political office in the coming days. Will remain a platform that will offer ideological, philosophical direction to the country, and that is not going to be moved or changed by the birth of this child. I thank you most sincerely. I want to ask all of you that were stranded in the rain, in the storms of inconsistency, stranded on the roads, beaten by the rains and the thunder, that you have a new party born. You can't be lost. Basabone banyabo